In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Moz Pro subscription. To get started, open your web browser and search for Moz. Once you see the official Moz website in the search results, click through to open it. If you already have the site bookmarked, you can go there directly as well. The goal here is simply to reach the Moz homepage so you can access your account settings. If Moz asks you to log in, go ahead and sign into the account that has the active Moz Pro subscription. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage multiple subscriptions or business profiles. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be ready to access the billing area. Next, look to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From that menu, select Account and Billing. This is the section where Moz stores your subscription details, plan information, and billing controls. After the Account and Billing page opens, make sure you are viewing the Subscriptions tab. This is important because Moz may have different sections for account preferences, payment details, or other settings. But the cancellation option will be found specifically under Subscriptions. Now locate your Moz Pro plan. You should see your current subscription tier summarized on the page. Just below that summary, click the Cancel Plan button. Take a moment to review the page carefully so you don't accidentally select the wrong option. Once you click Cancel, Moz will begin the cancellation flow. You'll then be asked to complete a brief user experience feedback survey. This step is typically used to understand why users are leaving, and it may be required before you can continue. Fill it out as needed, then click Next to move forward. If you're unsure what to choose, just answer honestly based on your experience. After that, you'll see the final confirmation screen. Click Yes, Confirm Cancellation to complete the process. This is the step that officially ends the subscription, so make sure you're ready before selecting it. Finally, to verify that everything went through correctly, click Return to your subscription page. Once you're back on that page, look for a status update that reflects the cancellation. This confirmation is helpful because it lets you know the request was successfully processed and that your subscription is no longer set to continue renewing. And that's it. That's how to cancel a Moz Pro subscription from your account settings.